Now we will discuss our second unit of the first topic, that is Introduction to Financial Management, that is the shareholders wealth maximization. What is the wealth maximization? This is the very important question that must be raised in the mind of everyone. It is the concept of increasing the value of a business in order to increase the value of the shares held by stockholders. The most direct evidence of wealth maximization is changes in the price of companies' shares. The primary goal for managers of publicly owned companies implies that decisions should be made to maximize the long run value of the firm's common stock. The financial manager plays a significant role in the planning and decision making processes of the business. For corporation, management's goal should be to maximize shareholders' wealth, which means maximizing the value of the stock. Good managers understand the importance of ethics, and they recognize that maximizing long run value is consistent with being socially responsible. Suppose if a is to maximize shareholder wealth, he or she must know how that wealth is determined. Essentially, shareholders' wealth is the number of shares outstanding times the market price per share. For example, if you own 100 shares of General Electric stock and the price of a share is $40, your wealth in General Electric would be 40 multiplied by 100, that would be dollar 4,000. The wealth of all of the General Electric stockholders can be summed, and that is the value of the firm's stock, the item that management should maximize. The number of shares outstanding is a given. So what really determines shareholders' wealth is the price of the stock. Now, what is the profit and wealth maximization? So you should differentiate and understand what is the wealth maximization and what is the profit maximization. Wealth maximization consists of a set of activities that manage the financial resources with the aim to increase the value of the stakeholders. Whereas profit maximization consists of the activities that manage the financial resources with the aim to increase the profitability of the company. Now, why is shareholders' wealth maximizing important? Because the goal of shareholders wealth maximization is a long-term goal achieved by many short-term decisions to maintain or exceed the expected value of shareholders. Because increasing of the shareholders' wealth, that is the long-term decision, but it may have different or combination of different short-term decision making that start from the planning of the business and organizing the activity and controlling and decision making that could be the part of management function. Because serving the interest of stakeholders can create profit for the firm, create value for shareholders. Now, what are the advantages of wealth maximization? Actually, it helps the financial management of the company, because without financial management, the organization cannot gain profit and wealth for shareholders. It helps the developing a strong dividend policy through which shareholders' wealth can be maximized. Now, this is the idea of wealth maximization with the aspect of financial management.